Hi guys, welcome to TDJ Australia. My name is Michael and I'm here to introduce to you all the new 10-inch upgrade system for the Toyota 200 Series Landcruiser, VX and Sahara. This particular kit is to cover the year range from 2016 to 2021. Here today we have a 2017 Toyota Landcruiser Sahara that will be showing you how it functions. So this unit features a 10-inch high-definition touchscreen. It also runs a Linux-based operating system, so it is not an Android-based system that is currently out there on the market. It will give you features such as your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which can both be used either wired or wirelessly. These are certified by both Apple and Google, and allows you to use features from your phone such as your mapping, like Google Maps, Waze, even all the way to off-road mapping such as new tracks. It also adds features such as dual USB inputs, one being the factory USB port and a second one that can be routed into the glove box. Dual camera inputs, which will retain your factory either reversing camera or 360-degree camera, and also retains functions such as your AM/FM radio, DAB radio, and adds features such as an inclinometer to it to display things such as your pitch, roll, compass, elevation and barometric pressure. The factory features that this unit will retain are things like your original steering wheel controls for next previous track functions, volume up and down, answer hang up for your phone, and also voice control, which can control features such as Siri and OK Google. Beyond that, it also retains your factory 360-degree camera, and you can also input a secondary camera from things such as a caravan camera, which can be used while you're also driving forwards and listening to your radio or CarPlay, whatever is running at the time. It will also retain your factory amplifier, which is located under the passenger seat of the car, but this, if you want to, can be upgraded to external amplifiers for subwoofers or upgrading the output to the original speakers. By doing an upgrade to the amplifier, you can then also adjust other settings like the equalizer in the unit, which is a 16-band equalizer. It will also give you features such as time alignment and other crossover features. What else this unit retains is your factory climate controls, which will retain your factory climate control buttons down below the new screen, which still keeps your 4-zone climate control functional, still displays your outside temperature and the location the vents are angled to. You can also now on these new units adjust your fan speed via physical buttons on the unit. You don't have to go through the touchscreen if you don't want to. But even via the touchscreen, you can adjust all of your climate settings as to where your vents are faced, fan control, temperature control, and all those sorts of things. Other vehicle settings you can access through the new screen are your trip information, which gives you your average speed, average fuel consumption, distance to empty, and functions like that. As you would have seen in the edition of the inclinometer, it does have a picture of your particular vehicle in there and in the trip computer. Through the vehicle settings, you can adjust the color of your vehicle to suit your particular car. Here we've got a silver pearl, but let's say we had the vintage gold or your champagne silver sort of color. You can adjust that and the way it appears in your trip computer and inclinometer. Other vehicle settings that can be accessed are your factory amplifier sound settings, so you can adjust the factory amplifiers, balance, fade and EQ. You can switch on and off the rear entertainment screens. You can adjust all your door lock settings, all your climate settings, all the way through to light settings and the factory Toyota Park Assist settings. For more information on this product, you can visit our website at aerpro.com and look up your vehicle there. This being the 200 Series Landcruiser. There is listings for various other products that are available for this particular vehicle in regards to speaker upgrades and additions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.